बादल गरजता सुनते हो पानी गिरता छम छम भीग गए हम Hello class 1, how are you all? I hope you must be fine and keeping well at home. Okay, so do you remember this rhymes from nursery class? है ना? नर्सरी क्लास में ये राइम्स पढ़ते थे ना हम लोग, कितना मजा आता था ना, डांस कर करके पढ़ते थे हम. ओके, सो दिस टाइम ऑल्सो आई वांट कि आप क्लास 1 में आ गए हो, बट यू कैन एंजॉय द पोएम एट होम ऑल्सो, इजंट इट? सो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू एंजॉय इट, तो इसीलिए मैंने थोड़ा सोचा कि अब तो मेरे बच्चे मेरे पास आ नहीं रहे हैं, तो ऑनलाइन ही सही. ओके, नाउ as I have taken earlier class of English course book, that was chapter 2, the red raincoat, in which Manu was a boy, है ना? मनु एक बॉय था जिसको संडे को रेड रेनकोट मिला था, एंड वो वेट कर रहा था कि मैं कब बारिश होगी तो मैं रेड रेनकोट पहन पाऊंगा. एंड फाइनली the boy, क्या नाम था, भूल गई, Manu. Okay, Manu was finally able to wear that raincoat on Saturday. लेकिन सैटरडे को भी क्या हो गया, बारिश देख के वो इतना एक्साइटमेंट में आ गया कि उसको अपना रेनकोट ले जाना ही भूल गया. Now I thought कि चलो कुछ एक्टिविटी भी हो जाए आज. ओके, ऑल्दो आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास आई विल गिव यू सम रिटन प्रैक्टिस, लेकिन पहले मैंने सोचा कि एक रेड रेनकोट बना लेंगे. ओके, सो दिस रेड रेनकोट वी आर गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर टुडे. ओके, यू मस्ट हैव गॉट योर लर्न नोट्स. ठीक है, तो सेम रेड रेनकोट हम लोग अभी बनाएंगे. फॉर दिस रेड रेनकोट व्हाट डू यू वांट? You need a rectangular piece of red paper. क्या चाहिए? Rectangular piece of red paper. One. The second one, 2 rectangular pieces of red paper. Okay. And 1 triangular piece of red paper. Okay. Now I will show you how you will make it. Okay, सबसे पहले ये वाला पीस आपको लेना है. ओके, और इसको ऐसे फोल्ड करना है. फोल्ड करने के बाद ये जो बंद वाला एज है ना, उसमें एक मार्किंग करनी है. ठीक है, जब मार्किंग करेंगे ना तो हमको पता चल जाएगा व्हाट इज द मिड लाइन. ठीक, अब इस मिड लाइन में ये वाले एज को टच करेंगे एंड उसको फोल्ड करेंगे. हो गया फोल्ड. ओके, अभी इस तरफ से इसको भी ऐसे फोल्ड करेंगे एंड वी विल गिव अ फोल्ड लाइन हियर ऑल्सो. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द बॉडी ऑफ रेनकोट. दिस इज द बॉडी ऑफ raincoat. See, this opens like this, isn't it? Now रेनकोट में क्या होता है? रेनकोट में एक बॉडी होती है, देन 2 स्लीव्स एंड 1 कैप. ठीक है, तो कैप के लिए क्या करेंगे? दिस, ये वाला समझ में आ गया सबको? 1 rectangular piece of red paper, fold it from both the sides. ओके, एंड कीप इट असाइड. साइड में रख देते हैं. दिख रहा है? आपको समझ में आया? ओके, ना ये वाला जो रेक्टेंगुलर है ना, ये वाले एज को अंदर की तरफ फोल्ड करेंगे. ओके, और ये वाले एज को भी अंदर की तरफ फोल्ड करेंगे. ये देखो, ये बन गया ना रेनकोट का कैप. बना? ठीक है, नाउ कीप इट असाइड, इसको भी साइड में रख देते हैं। अब हमारी बॉडी तैयार हो गई और हमारा कैप भी तैयार हो गया। नाउ 2 स्लीव्स, स्मॉल रेक्टेंगुलर पीस, इसको हाफ फोल्ड करना है, ऐसे फोल्ड इट हाफ, कीप इट असाइड। Here also fold it half and keep it aside. Now we have done our foldings. ठीक है, foldings हो गया है। Now what we will do? We will fix it. अब क्या करेंगे? इसको fix करेंगे। फिर से हम शुरू करेंगे this body portion. रेनकोट में कॉलर होता है शायद, हाँ होता है, कॉलर होता है, कोई कोई होता है जिसमें नहीं होता है। ओके, नाउ रेनकोट का जो अपर पोर्शन वाला कॉलर है ना, उसमें एक फोल्डिंग देनी है लाइक दिस। ओके, हियर ऑल्सो गिव अ फोल्डिंग लाइक दिस एंड दिस कैप विल बी फिक्स्ड। ये जो हमने गैप अभी बनाया है ना, इसमें ये वाला कैप को यहां से फिक्स कर देंगे। एंड व्हाट आई एम डूइंग हियर आई एम फिक्सिंग इट विथ फेविकॉल। ओके, so Fevicol or whatever gum you are using. So what I am doing this pin, this point I am applying Fevicol on it, दिख रहा है? ओके, और इसको कॉलर पोर्शन में, इसको फोल्डिंग को खोल के इस कॉलर पोर्शन में इसको बीच में फिक्स करना है, दिस वे। हो गया? ठीक है, अब ये आया, ये आया। अभी क्या करेंगे, ये वाला जो पोर्शन है ना, दिस वन, इसको भी हम फेविकॉल से फिक्स कर देंगे। सी, आई एम पुटिंग ड्रॉप्स ऑन इट। इज इट विजिबल? इज इट विजिबल? Okay, done. Now here also we will put some markings, some drops of Fevicol. Now this body portion is also fixed. So क्या क्या हो गया? हमारा कैप रेडी है, कैप जॉइन हो गया है, बॉडी इज ऑल्सो रेडी। नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर 2 sleeves. अभी क्या हुआ है कि we have folded these sleeves and this is open. Now we have to fix this also. So I am fixing it with the help of gum. See, this is fixed and here also we will fix the open folding. Class 1, be cheerful. मजा आ रहा है? ये हो गया। नाउ स्लीव्स कहाँ लगेगा? जस्ट बिलो द कैप, लाइक दिस। सी, like this will come like this. ओके, ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे मैम ने थोड़े छोटे स्लीव्स काटे हैं, है ना? आप जब बनाएंगे ना तो थोड़े लॉन्ग स्लीव्स डालना, क्योंकि रेनकोट का स्लीव्स हमेशा लॉन्ग होता है। लॉन्ग इसलिए होता है ताकि पानी गलती से भी अंदर ना आ जाए। ओके, सो हियर आई हैव अप्लाइड फेविकॉल ऑन इट एंड ट्राई टू कंज्यूम लेस फेविकॉल। बहुत ज़्यादा फेविकॉल मत यूज़ करना क्योंकि उससे वेस्ट होता है। मिनिमम यू हैव टू यूज। नाउ आई एम फिक्सिंग दिस स्लीव्स हियर। डन? इज इट लुकिंग नाइस? एंड run this side. If you are feeling difficulty in preparing it, take the help of your parents. Parents के साथ बैठ के ही करना है इसे, ठीक है? Now these extra triangles above the sleeves I am cutting it off. Done? Yes. Now our Fevicol, our raincoat is ready. अभी रेनकोट में क्या करते हैं, बटन्स लगा देते हैं कुछ, ठीक है. So how we will do the buttons? We have to put on the buttons. So for that what I am doing, I am just marking it with my black marker, okay, or any marker you can use for. What I am going to do is I am marking it the black marker, okay. I am showing you. I hope this is visible to you, okay. See what I am doing. I am just putting on buttons like circle. Button 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And raincoat has pockets. Raincoats have pockets. So I am making pockets also. Some raincoats have 2 pockets and some raincoats have 4 pockets. So here my red raincoat is ready. So this is the red raincoat and you can call it Manu's raincoat also, क्योंकि मनु का रेनकोट कौन से कलर का है, मनु का रेनकोट रेड कलर का है. Okay, so now what you have to do, जब भी आप when you will start writing in your notebook, just paste one red raincoat when you are starting the chapter. Okay, so this is my red raincoat. Where shall I keep it? Shall I paste it over here? Okay, for some time I can fix it. After this, be ready with your notebooks because we are going to do writing work. I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Peter Patter raindrops, Peter Patter raindrops. I am wet through. Let us enjoy the poem one more time, okay? Now we will do the written work. Okay. Now for this you need to open your notebooks. In your notebook, that day also I have told you that you have to write the words meanings. Okay. I know that you just have entered class 1. It is very difficult for you to read it. ठीक है, तो हम लोग धीरे धीरे रीडिंग भी सीख जाएंगे. बट फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू शुड लर्न इज टू राइट फास्टली. साफ साफ लिखना सीखना है, पहले देखकर कैसे लिखना है वो भी सीखना है, और धीरे धीरे मैडम आपको रीडिंग भी सिखा देंगी. ओके, नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट. Now let's start our written work of this chapter, the Red Raincoat. Okay, so in the book Red Raincoat, this exercise is given on page number it is on page number 16. Okay, the first exercise, that is A1, it has been done in the previous class. Okay, first choose the correct option, and A2 is answer these questions. Answer these questions. Okay, so in your notebook, what you have to do, be ready with your notebooks. There is a margin and you don't draw it because it is already in your notebook. Okay, so what you will write? You will write simply today's date, classwork, and this is chapter 2. You need to write everything in your notebook. सब कुछ notebook पे लिखना है. Chapter 2 and the name of the chapter is The Red R-A-I-N Rain C-O-A-T Coat. The Red Raincoat. And in your, as I've told you earlier that in your notebook you will paste this red raincoat. Okay, and after that you have to write these words meanings. Okay, first the red raincoat you have to prepare. Okay, and you have to, what you have to do, you have to paste it in your notebook that I have pasted over there. Now it has gone, and after that, after the word meanings, you will write question and answers. And this is A2 exercise. A2. And A2 exercise is answer these questions. Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N-S. Answer these questions. Class 1, I know that you have just entered KG2 and maybe you won't be able to read and write these many words. है ना, अभी KG2 से आप क्लास 1 में आए हैं, हो सकता है आप इतने सारे वर्ड्स पढ़ भी नहीं पाए, लेकिन by and by we will learn how to read. Okay, reading से पहले we will learn how we should write line by line and how we have to copy it down. देखकर कैसे लिखना है, that I will teach you first, and in our later classes we will learn to read words and sentences. Okay, so the question and answers are in your notes. It is on page number 3. Okay, if you are not writing it now, you can write it later following your notes. So class 1, the first question is, how is the weather on Monday? Monday को weather कैसा था या कैसा है? According to the question, it is is. इसका मतलब है. The question is, how is the weather see the question word W-E-A T-H-E-R the weather का मतलब होता है बाहर का मौसम. ओके, बाहर, how is the weather on Monday? O-N on M-O-N-D-A-Y Monday. Now let us read one more time. How is the weather on Monday? Add a question mark. जब भी आप लिखेंगे you need to keep your fingers like this. Okay, after each and every word you have to put your finger, then you will write the next word, then again put your finger, write the next word, put your finger, write the next word, and every time you write a single letter you should speak it out. Okay, and as I am writing, see how is the weather on Monday? The weather on Monday is bright and sunny. Okay, अभी इधर देखो, here I have written MONDAY, Monday. So I have used capital N here. Why so? क्यों यूज किया मैं आपने कैपिटल लेटर? इसलिए यूज किया because Monday is a special day. जैसे हमारा नाम स्पेशल होता है ना, तो we write the first letter capital C. I have written here A capital, A for Anupam. Okay, likewise Monday is also a special name. That's why we have written capital N here. Okay, and whenever we write any sentence, the first letter should also be capital. First letter be capital होना चाहिए. Okay, now I am writing the answer. And what is the answer? How is the weather on Monday? The weather on Monday is bright and sunny. And your answer starts with the. Answer कहाँ से लिखना है? ये. The weather on Monday. So let me write the answer. THE, the. See here I have used capital T. The. WEA, THER, the weather. on Monday, MONDAY, Monday is the weather on Monday is bright. We have to write now bright. इसके बाद क्या लिखेंगे? Bright. And the spelling of bright is BRIGHT. The spelling of bright will be written bright. As you write NIGHT, night, night. Likewise, bright, and sunny. Again, the weather on Monday is bright and sunny. The weather on Monday is bright and sunny. Now, we will write question number 2. After question number 1, what we should write? We will write question number 2. And question number 2 is, where does Manu go on Thursday? Thursday को मनु कहाँ जाता है? Okay, so let us revise days of the week one more time. On Sunday, Manu got the red raincoat. Monday was bright and sunny. Tuesday, the sky was blue. Wednesday was very hot. And on Thursday, Manu goes to picnic. So the question is WHERE. Where? See the spelling? WHERE. Where? DOES, does. Always keep your finger while writing. Where does Manu? See, Manu is also a special name. That's why we are using capital N here. Okay. Where does Manu go on Thursday? See, Thursday is also a special name. That's why here we have used capital T. M capital because Manu is a name. T capital because Thursday is a special day, and here we have started the sentence, that's why W is capital, and because this is a question sentence, we have ended up with a question mark. सेंटेंस के शुरू में W कैपिटल इसलिए क्योंकि सेंटेंस हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से शुरू होता है. Manu is a special name. Manu special name है इसलिए M is capital, and Thursday is also a special name because that's why T is also capital, and ये question है इसीलिए इसे question mark से हमने last किया है. Okay, now we will write answer. Where does Manu go on Thursday? Your answer starts from here. Manu goes. See, here it is written go, but in answer you will write goes because according to the sentence, here it is written does. तो ये does का जो es है वो go के पास चला जाएगा. Okay, and how it happens? When you will grow up later, I will tell you. But the sentence will be Manu goes. The answer is Manu goes, G-O-E-S, goes to T-O-2 picnic. See the spelling. P-I-C, pic, N-I-C, nick. Picnic. Manu goes to picnic on Thursday. Again we are writing with capital T. Every time when we write special name, it should start with a capital letter. So here, what was the question? The question was, where does Manu go on Thursday? Thursday को मनु कहाँ जाता है? So the answer is Manu goes to picnic on Thursday. Manu goes to picnic on Thursday. Okay, I am leaving it for 2 minutes. Till then, just write it down if you want to write it. Okay, after that I will erase it and I will write question number 3. And remember, you have to read and write. Question number 1 is, how is the weather on Monday? And question number 2 is, where does Manu go on Thursday? Okay, so if you want, you can take the screenshot also. Now I am writing question number 3 and I am erasing question number 1 and 2. How is the weather on Monday? The weather on Monday is bright and sunny. And question number 2 is, where does Manu go on Thursday? Manu goes to picnic on Thursday. Now we will write question number 3. See students, you have to write very carefully, बहुत carefully लिखना है. Okay, your notebook should look very beautiful. एकदम pretty दिखनी चाहिए आपकी notebook. Okay, now question number 3 is, on Saturday when it starts raining. जब सैटरडे को बारिश शुरू हो गई तो मनु ने क्या किया? The question is, when it starts raining, see the question, this is question number 3. W, H, E and when, IT, it, starts, stop, is arts. वो where जैसे where का स्पेलिंग था WHWER. Likewise, when की स्पेलिंग है WHWENN. When it starts raining. RAINING. When it starts raining on Saturday. Again, Saturday is a special name, so we will write it with capital S. SAT. Sat. Day. When it starts raining on Saturday, at what? Again, WH, at what does MANU, Manu, DO, do? When it starts raining on Saturday, what does Manu do? जब Saturday को rain start होता है, Manu क्या करता है? And the answer is, and your answer starts from here itself. Okay, when it starts raining on Saturday. Okay, so we will rewrite the same thing. When it starts raining, RAINING, raining on Saturday, Manu, MANU, Manu. What does Manu do? Manu क्या करता है जब बारिश शुरू होती है? वो बारिश को देख के इतना खुश हो जाता है कि वो बाहर भाग जाता है और अपना रेनकोट घर पे ही भूल जाता है. So the answer is, when it starts raining on Saturday, Manu runs out and forgets his raincoat. Manu runs out. RUNS, runs. OUT, out. AND, and. Forgets, FOR, for. GETS, forgets. Forgets means भूल जाना. Forgets his. His means उसका. Raincoat. Now again read it one more time and listen. As a question ends with a question mark, a statement ends with a full stop. क्वेश्चन मार्क में लास्ट में क्वेश्चन लगता है और आंसर में लास्ट में क्या लगता है? फुल स्टॉप. ओके, सो द आंसर इज and when it starts raining on Saturday, Manu runs out and forgets his raincoat. When it starts raining on Saturday, Manu runs out and forgets his raincoat. So here we have written 3 question answers today. Okay, now I am closing my class. So what did we do today? We had made one red raincoat. We have enjoyed the poem and later we have done question answers. So what you have to do? You have to write all these in your notebooks, and for the next class we will do the later exercises. Okay, we will do some oral questions as well as some written part in the book. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day. Okay, and stay safe, be happy, happy learning.